Right, following up with what we were working on before, we are going to replace these set bolts with shorter set screws. You can see they have a hex head. They're about a half inch, well, they are a half inch long. We checked it and went down to our local hardware store and picked up these. They're the same 15th, 16th, 18th thread. And so you can see just a little bit of excess hanging out of these. They're not, I didn't go for the deep set, but we'll use these and see how it goes. Need to get some oil in these pillow bearings, get everything mounted up, and then I don't have it with me at the moment, but inside here we also have, or not inside, the part I have is inside. I've got a 2-inch pulley to set on the end here. We have just about half the keyway sticking out on this side. Just enough that we can get the pulley on and set down, screw locked in place. One of the things that I am going to do is knock down some more of this rust with a wire brush. Try and knock down as much as we can. And then I've got a can of rust converting primer that we'll use this to be able to try and keep this from rusting as much as we can, being that the Trommel will be out in the elements.